Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about the differences between present simple and present continuous. First, let's go back to present simple. In what cases do we use present simple? If we wanna talk about routines, for example, I go to the gym every day. Or habits, for example, I usually eat hamburger on Fridays. Scientific facts or scientific information. The gravity affects people. You jump from a building and you die. We also use time expressions like frequency adverbs and expressions like this, like every day, these days, frequently, always, never. But what happens with present continuous? Present continuous is a little bit easier because we use it for actions in progress during this specific moment of the present. For example, we say this hour, we say right now. We can also say now, this day, this month, this year, this moment, this week. So actions that refer to this moment all the time. Now, something important to remember is the auxiliaries that we use. For example, in present simple, we use do or does. What is the difference? We use do with I, you, we, they. On the contrary, we use does for he, she, it. But remember something, we use it as an auxiliary verb in negative and in questions. For example, you say, I don't like to smoke. Or, do you study in the morning? We use it in WH questions. For example, what do you do in your free time? In the case of present continuous, we use the verb to be as an auxiliary verb. So, for example, you can say, I am studying this month. Let's check some other examples. Here we have I study every day. As you can see, we refer to a habit or a routine. On the contrary, we identify present continuous because of the time expressions. These days, right now, this month, in this moment. I am studying this month. I am eating hamburger in this moment. I am talking to my students in this moment. You are watching this video right now. Thanks a lot. If you have any question, don't worry, you can contact me.